Welcome. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by too many notifications or just want to tidy up your Discord experience, today's guide is for you. We're diving into how to unfollow a specific channel on a Discord server, with the latest steps to make your server experience cleaner and more focused. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your device. Whether you're on mobile or desktop, the process is simple and quick. Once you're in, head over to the server where you want to make the change. You'll see your list of servers on the left. Just click or tap on the one you need. Now, look for the option called Browse Channels. This is usually found at the top of your channel list or under the server menu. Tap on Browse Channels to bring up a full list of all the channels available in that server, including the ones you're currently following and the ones you aren't. Scroll through this list until you find the channel you want to unfollow. Maybe it's a channel that's gotten a little too chatty, or perhaps it's just not relevant to you anymore. Once you spot the channel name, you'll notice a checkbox right next to it. If the box is checked, it means you're currently following that channel and receiving updates from it. To unfollow, simply tap or click on the checkbox next to the channel name to uncheck it. That's it. You'll immediately stop receiving notifications and updates from that specific channel, but you'll still be part of the server and able to rejoin the channel at any time if you change your mind. Taking a few moments to manage your channels can make your Discord experience so much more enjoyable and less cluttered. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who might need a little Discord decluttering too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.